This is a child abduction emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. This is not a test. A child went missing. The child's name is Taro Yamada. He is 17 years old, has black hair and gray eyes. He was last seen wearing a black winter coat and black sweatpants. He was abducted near his home. His parents found out he was missing afterward. Unfortunately, there were no witnesses, and the suspect has not been identified. Stay tuned for further updates. This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. This is not a test. 2 girls were found dead outside of their homes. Their names were Asana Najimi and Amaya Deika. These girls are hopefully in a better place. The parents of these 2 girls will be going through a lot of grief. The suspect still hasn't been found. To avoid being killed or abducted by the suspect, lock all doors and windows immediately as to not let the suspect go inside your home. Please stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. 2 girls have been murdered by the suspect who abducted Taro Yamada. The suspect still hasn't been identified. Oh number. I just got word that another boy was kidnapped. Please stay tuned for an activation of the emergency alert system.
This is a child abduction emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities. This is not a test. Another boy has gone missing. His name is Yukitaru Amano. He is 14 years old. He was last seen wearing a brown shirt, black pants. He has black hair and brown eyes, and was believed to be kidnapped by a girl with pink hair. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. Yukitaru Amano and Taro Yamada have not been found yet, but the suspect that took Yukitaru Amano is confirmed. Their name is Yunogase. She is 15 years old, has pink hair gathered into low pigtails, has pink eyes, wears a purple dress and black shoes. Yunogase is very dangerous as of now, but the suspect that took Taro Yamada has still not been confirmed yet, but right now known as Yandere-chan. If you see Yunogase or Yandere-chan, call 911 immediately. If you know who or what Yandere-chan looks like, please report any information to police immediately. Stay tuned for info on this dangerous situation.
What's this world so dark, crawling with deceit, cutting down health bars with a stick, I'll teach them why I will survive. All costs that lie now, souls lie still in sea, but no legacies last. Some are hidden deep and some lost to the past up here. What is it they fear? I'm gonna find out. Monster to monster won't wait any longer. Skeletons and ghosts talking fishes I'll slaughter. Not long till I conquer. Naturally I'm stronger. I feel something coming closer like it's conjured. Nothing will happen. I'll save and go back and attack then.
This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities and the Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. 7 more boys have been abducted from their homes and 20 more girls have been murdered in their homes. They have all not been confirmed, but the suspect that abducted Taro Yamada have been identified. Their name is Ayano Aishi. She is 18 years old. She has gray eyes and medium-length black hair gathered onto a high ponytail. She was wearing a red coat, black pants, black shoes, and is carrying a bloody knife. Ayano Aishi is very dangerous and will kill anyone she sees. Yuno Gase escaped Denver with Yukiteru Amano and many more girls that are believed to be known as Yanderes that are usually found in anime and video games. Yandere was supposed to be a fictional character trait, but it's now real. More Yanderes are popping up all over the United States. The United States is under attack. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency, and we will be discontinuing programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 2 more Yanderes have been spotted. One Yandere known as Monica, which is the main antagonist of the video game, Doki Doki Literature Club, was reported being seen on devices. The second Yandere is one that we all know. The second one is described to have medium-length brown hair, wears a brown dress, white tights and black shoes. This Yandere is confirmed to be known as Megan. Megan is very dangerous as she will kill anyone she sees to quote-unquote, protect her senpai known as Katie. If you see any of the Yanderes that were identified in your local area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further updates on this terrifying situation.
Breaking news. Megan was spotted at a nearby Country Inn and Suites hotel and is attacking and killing anybody she sees. Also a file with a video with a scene from the movie. M3 Gan known as the dance scene is a sign that Megan is coming for you. But in order to avoid her is to delete the file immediately and don't open it. Also an approximate amount of 15 people have already committed suicide as of now. Oh my god. I just got the file. I need to get out of here.
You should probably run.
Warning, incoming jump scare. Please skip this part if you hate jump scares.
This is a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas City Police Department. This is not a test. A girl with long purple hair was spotted in the suburbs of Kansas City. She was also reported to be carrying a kitchen knife with her. Her name is Yuri, which a character from the video game, Doki Doki Literature Club. Those that have seen an image of her dying on any electronic screen must follow these instructions. Kindly take all electronic devices away from children 12 and under, as children ages 12 and under are committing suicide after seeing this image, but teenagers and adults have not been affected. Stay tuned for updates on this developing situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is Channel 15 News, 15:4. We will be discontinuing programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of United States government. This is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this alert pertains to information that is terrifying. A national-level emergency now exists for the entirety of the United States. The situation concerning the many dangerous individuals known as Yanderes has been confirmed to have gotten worse. Many people have been killed or kidnapped by these Yanderes, and this probably won't be resolved the hard way. The only solution now is to launch about 4 nuclear missiles or so to wipe these Yanderes off of the face of the earth in about 2 hours. With a little time remaining, please take the following supplies: food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletry items, a flashlight, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. Stay tuned for updates on this situation. All clear message. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The Yanderes were killed by the nukes, and the people that were abducted have been found by the National Guard and were taken to a fallout shelter. Your government thanks you for your cooperation with the emergency alert system. You may return to normal programming.